Are you aware that anytime that you upload a video on your WhatsApp status or on your WhatsApp business status, automatically WhatsApp compresses that video and reduce the video quality, making the video on your WhatsApp status to be blurred? Okay? Anytime you upload video on your WhatsApp or WhatsApp business status, the video will upload and is going to lose its original HD or full HD quality. Now, most of you don't really know how to fix this, and this is exactly why I'm making this video. All right, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can make your videos that you want to upload on your WhatsApp status or on your WhatsApp business status to retain that HD or full HD video quality, making it very sharp. All right, now the very first thing you need to do is to go to your Play Store and download this application, Pure Status. Click on Pure Status. You can see this green one, Pure Status bye blur status. Okay, you can see I've already installed it on my phone, and that is why it's showing open. Okay, now let's click on open. Once you click on open, it's going to bring out all the videos in your phone gallery. Okay, so once you download and install this application, follow the process, just is the next whatever to just open. Okay, but remember, this application for the first 3 days is free, or first 4 days. After that, you have to be paying 2,000 something a month, but it's worth it if you always upload on your WhatsApp status. Now, the next thing that you're meant to do once you're done editing your video and your video is ready to upload on your WhatsApp status, okay, is to cut that your video file into 1 minute. That's 60 seconds. All right, I don't know the kind of video editing software that you're using, but whichever video editing software, whether in your phone or your laptop, you should be able to cut that video in 1 minute or 60 seconds or 30 seconds. Okay, I will explain later in this video why it's very essential and vital for you to cut the video file to 1 minute or 30 seconds. Now, after you're done cutting that your video file to 30 seconds or 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, the next thing you need to do is to import it. Carry all the files that you've cut, okay, whether it's 5 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 files, import them in your phone. Okay, bring them into your phone gallery. So once you're done importing all the video files that you cut to 1 minute, come over and open this application that you installed, Pure Status. The reason why you cut the videos to 1 minute is because Pure Status only allows 1 minute or 30 seconds video. In Pure Status, if you want to create full HD, it must be 30 seconds or lower than 30 seconds, between 1 second to 30 seconds. But if it's above 30 seconds, the video will be created in high definition. But from 30 seconds down to 5 seconds, 3 seconds can be created in full HD. Okay, but I prefer 1 minute because 30 seconds will make your WhatsApp status to have so many segments. This 3 minutes, 2 minutes 55 seconds video, if you cut it 30 seconds, it will be up to 6 segments. But 1 minute will give you 3 segments in your WhatsApp status. So now, once you open this Pure Status, this is what you're going to see. This first one is 55 seconds, which is the last one, and this one is 1 minute, and this one is 1 minute. So what we need to do is click on this one. This is the first one, and here you guys can see full HD or HD. If you create this video in full HD, it's going to divide this 1 minute video to 30 seconds. So what you're going to do, you're going to set it to 60 seconds. Click here, 60 seconds. You can see if you click on 60 seconds, it will change to HD. But when it was in 30 seconds, it was in full HD. Once you click on this HD, click on compress. The first time you're going to do this, it's going to tell you to activate. Okay, now click on activate. It's going to put you in WhatsApp. Okay, send message. You're going to reply the message. Now let me delete the old videos I have here. Delete all these old videos. Now go back again. Go back and click on compress. Once you click on compress and click on compress, it will start compressing the video file so that once you upload it on your WhatsApp status, it's going to be very, very clear, like HD video. Okay, WhatsApp is not going to compress it again and change the quality of the video once it goes through this process. So you guys can see the video has finished and the message has been sent. Now if you click on open, you can see the video. Okay, once you click on download, the video will start downloading and the video is going to be in your gallery. But what I do is I don't download it. What I do is I go back again and select the next video that I want to upload. That's how I will select all of them, compress and leave them on WhatsApp. Then once I am done, instead of downloading it one by one, once I am done, I'll go back to my gallery. Once I go back to my gallery, I'll go and delete all these videos. The initial ones, I'll select all of them and delete them. Once I delete them, I'll now come back to the WhatsApp and now download all those ones that were sent to me on WhatsApp that I meant to upload on my WhatsApp status. So this is how you can compress a video so that your WhatsApp status video will never lose quality. It will be on HD or full HD format. Okay, so if this video was helpful, make sure you like and make sure you follow for more tips like this.